Hello my dear students, welcome to the class again. Here I am Mrs. Komal Bakar going to teach you second chapter of computer. The name of second chapter is computer software. In this lesson we will read about the meaning of software, types of software, function of software. The first topic is meaning of software. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. In this picture, you can see Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Word software. Software makes the hardware part work. We cannot see and touch software. For example, a mobile phone is a hardware, but the SMS feature of the phone is a software. Let's discuss about this term. A software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Students, as you are getting instruction by your mother at home and by your teacher at your school, just like this, computer is getting instructions by the software. Students, computer does not understand English language. It understands only the binary language 0, 1. So, software converts the English language to binary language. You can understand it with this example. As you're going to any other country and you want to talk to anyone but you don't know the language of that country, then you need a translator who can make the link between you and the person. Just like this, software is a link between the user and the computer. Students, software is a set of program and program is a set of instructions. But these instructions should be in the sequenced form, means step by step. If one step will be missing, then software cannot perform. You can understand it like this. If you have to go to school, what steps will you take? First step, you walk up in the morning. Second step, you wear your uniform, pack your bag. Third step, you take any conveyance. Fourth step, you arrive to school. These are the fixed steps. So, no step can be changed or missed. If we will miss one step, our purpose will not be solved. Just like this, software is a set of instructions which are in sequenced form. Software are built to control hardware, other software and many other features of the computer system. As you know, computer is a dumb machine. It cannot do any function itself. So if we are not having the software, hardware part will not work. As we can say, without software, hardware parts are useless, and without hardware, software cannot work. For example, you know, your mobile phone is having one software, Android. Without the software, phone is just a piece of hardware with no function. It will just like this, that your mobile phone is switched off and it is without any application. We cannot write anything. We cannot listen phone. We cannot touch software. We can see it, handle it, control it, work with it, but cannot touch it. As we can touch the speaker, but we cannot touch the sound of the speaker. Students, next we will read about the types of software. There are two types of software. One is application software and another is system software. Let's discuss about the application software. So students, in general we can say software is a set of instructions which we cannot touch, but it does specific work only. Students, as we read in our book that there are two types of softwares. First is application software and second is system software. Let's discuss about the application software. Students, we are having many machines at our home like fridge, washing machine, microwave, RO, iron. Have you ever seen your fridge is washing clothes or your RO is cooling the things? No, because these machines are meant for the special purpose and they are doing their work only. Just like this, application software are meant for the particular purpose only. Paint software is meant for the drawing and painting the picture. WordPad software is meant for writing the text. Calculator software is for calculation only. Students, your mobile phone is having many apps. Have you listened about the mobile apps? Listen na? So, it is also having many apps like WhatsApp, camera, YouTube, Facebook. Apps full form is application software. So we can say just like the mobile phone, computer is also having application softwares which are meant for the special purpose. In your book also it has been mentioned that you cannot print using the calculator program as calculator can only do the arithmetic calculation. And see students, these are the application softwares. First is Paint, second is Calculator, Solitaire, Window Media Player and Notepad. Many other application softwares are also in the system. Our second term is system software. As your mother control and manages different tasks at home, similarly system software control and manages the overall activities of a computer system. System software runs the application software. Operating system like Windows 7 is an example of system software. These are the examples of system software. Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows XP. Window in your computer is an operating system. Without system software, the computer is like a man without a brain. As I described you that many application softwares may be in your computer or your mobile phone, but these software will not run if we will not put the system software in our computer or in our mobile phone. Now you may be confused. What is system software? We were talking about the application software. So I'll make you clear that you can delete any app from your mobile or all the apps from your mobile, but still it is working with some fixed information. It means mobile is having system software or operating system. Information given by the system software cannot be deleted. When you are booting your computer system, many informations are flashing on it. These are the permanent information and this is due to system software is in your computer. As it is mentioned in your book that like your mother's system software also control and manages the overall activities of the computer system. A system software acts as a supervisor. Like in your class, teacher is your supervisor. And without teacher or without supervisor, class will not run. In this way, we can say teacher is a system software and students are application software. If any 1, 2 students are absent, even then the class will run. But without teacher, class will not run. Our main system softwares or operating system is Windows. As we can say, our brain is system software. Our body parts are application software, which are following the instruction of brain or system software. Now I'll make you understand by another way. This is a flow chart and we are watching that there are two platforms between the user and the hardware system and we have to go through it. So in the easy words, we can say this is a vice versa process as user interacts with the application software and application software interacts with the user only. But at the backstage, application software having interaction with the operating system or system software, and operating system interacts with the application software. And then operating system directly interacts with hardware, converts user language to hardware language, and hardware interacts with the operating system or system software. Students, these are the exercises of lesson 2. Our first exercise is word meaning or explain the following terms. First is software. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Once again I am repeating. Software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Second one is system software. System software is the manager of computer system. System software is the manager of computer system. Third is application software. Application software does some specific work only. Application software does some specific work only. Our second exercise is answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you mean by software? Students, first question is, what do you mean by software? And the answer is, the set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. I'm repeating once again. The set of programs which are used to operate a computer is known as software. Question number 2. What is application software? Our second question is, what is application software? And the answer is, application software does some specific work only. Again, application software does some specific work only. Third question is, what is system software? What is system software? Answer is, system software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Once again, system software controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Students, these are the answer of our third exercise. Take the right option. You have to put the tick mark and you have to write the correct answer in the blanks. First question is, the paint program is an example of dash. Answer is software. So, the paint program is an example of software. Second question is, Software is a set of dash. Correct answer is programs. Then software is a set of programs. Third question is, to multiply two numbers, you use the dash program. Correct answer is calculator. And the sentence will be, to multiply two numbers, you use the calculator program. Fourth one is, window is an operating dash. Correct answer is system. And the sentence will be, Windows is an operating system. Our next exercise is fill in the blanks. Students, some options are given. First, you see these options and fill the sentence. Question number 1. Hardware and software help the computer to dash. Correct answer is work. So we can say hardware and software help the computer to work. Dash is a set of programs or instructions. Answer is software. Software is a set of programs or instructions. Third is, there are two types of software, application software and dash software. Answer is, there are two types of software, application software and system software. Fourth is, system software is like a dash. Answer is manager. So the sentence will be, system software is like a manager. Students, we are doing one extra question also. This question is given in the activity time at the last. So we will do this question also. Write the name of 5 application software you find in your computer lab. Answer is, 5 application softwares are Paint, Calculator, WordPad, Solitaire, Windows Media Player. These 5 softwares are given in your book. You can write any other application softwares also. Now there is some home assignment. First is, read the chapter carefully and learn the exercises of lesson 2. Once again I am repeating. Read the chapter carefully and learn the exercises of lesson 2. Second is, draw icons of 5 application softwares and write their names in your copy. You have seen many application softwares icons on the desktop. So you draw 5 application softwares icons from there, and in front of that you have to write that application software's name. Students, I hope you enjoyed this lesson and having good information about this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.